Chapter 9, Total Name Expression. By adding together the number value of both your vowels and consonants, you find the total expression of your name. This indicates the direction in which you should find your success and happiness. It combines your innermost desires with the outward projection of your total personality and talents, and therefore paints a true picture of your personality. If you have not done so yet, print your full name and ascribe to each letter the number value given for it in the chart below. There is no need to separate the vowels and consonants for the total expression. Just add them all together and reduce to a total single digit. For your convenience, the number/letter correspondence chart is repeated at the bottom of page 148. And this is what it looks like. For example, we got Rose Pele, okay? So we're going to write Rose Pele. This is Rose's full name. I'll take it. Okay, and now we're going to write the letters. So we got an R. And it falls under the 9 category. Then we have an O, which falls under the 6. Then we have an S, which falls under the 1. And we have an E, which falls under the 5. All right? So we're going to add those up plus the last name. So the P is under the 7. We got another 1 for under the A. The L is under the 3. Another 1 for an A. And a 7 for a Y. Okay? These are the vibrations of the letters in Rose's name. Now when we add them all together, we're going to get 40. Okay? Now because we're looking for a 1-digit number, you're going to simplify this 40. So 4 plus 0 equal 4. Okay? Y'all see how we did that?